CarSupermarket.com Auto Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online car sales wrong. They assume you can't trust the quality or pricing. The surprising truth about CarSupermarket.com is that it provides a wide selection of vehicles with transparent pricing and vehicle history, and you won't believe how easy it is to buy a car entirely online. Here's how it works. CarSupermarket.com lists used cars from various dealerships with full details including mileage, service history, and real photos. Buyers can filter by price, model, year, and location. Once a vehicle is selected, financing options and delivery or pickup arrangements are provided. For example, if you are searching for a 2018 SUV, the site shows available options with full history checks and warranty options. Most people get this wrong. They think online cars are risky, but CarSupermarket.com provides inspection reports and customer support to ensure confidence in the purchase. Additional features include part exchange for your old vehicle, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and user reviews for both cars and sellers. Users appreciate the convenience, ease of navigation, and detailed information. However, there are considerations. Inventory may vary by region, and shipping or delivery fees may apply. Most people assume online purchases are immediate. You may need to coordinate with the seller. In conclusion, CarSupermarket.com is ideal for anyone who wants a convenient, transparent, and trustworthy way to buy a used car online without compromising on quality or information. Subscribe for more honest reviews of auto sales platforms.